update for our flight. Right now, we are flying at an altitude of 35,000 feet. Within the next couple of minutes, we will start our descent. Expected to be on ground, or will be arriving Panglao, Bohol at around 10:50 a.m. We'll be arriving way ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. Anyway, over at the airport, we can expect rain showers and cloudy skies, and the wind coming from the northeast. Anyway, we have no flight routine. We would like to thank you for flying with us, and we hope to see you again in our future flights. Maraming salamat po, and hope you have an excellent stay in Panglao.
Panglao, Bohol. Any moment daw, bababa na kami.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for descent, your cabin crew will now collect all items for disposal. Kindly clear your seat pockets and litter. All electronic devices must be switched off or in silent mode at this time.
Pa-descent na kami, descent. Descent, touchdown. Landing. Ano pa man ang sabihin nyo, bababa kami sa lupa. Hindi naman po pwedeng manatili kami rito sa Alapaap. Bababa kami sa lupa. Ayan. Ayan, nasa Palapa pa rin kami. Preparing to I'm sleepy na, no? So ayan, dito lang tayo. So ilang minutes na lang daw, bababa na kami. Tulog pa rin yung kasama ko. Wala pa rin signal. Makolek na naman ang garbage. Tulog pa rin yung kasama ko. Nakatalokbong pa. Ayun, going down na tayo. Bumababa na yung altitude. So welcome Panglao, Bohol.